The specific challenge involves inserting zeros between letters and number of a given ID. The ID must have exactly 6 characters. Link to the challenge and Omid profile below the video. I have broken down the exercise into 4 main steps. So step 1, extract the letters from the ID using text split and sequence 09 as a delimiter. Step 2, repeat the zeros using the rep function, as I know each ID has 6 characters. Step 3, extract the numbers that come after the letters using right and the length of the ID. Step 4, assemble all together with the ampersand. Step 5, copy and paste to have a single formula.